Welcome to the happiest home in Warner Robins, Georgia. My name is Andy Cook, and I get to come inside the heart of Georgia DDM Home on a regular basis because my brother Danny lives here. This is his home. 2020 has been a rough year for all of us, and because of the pandemic restrictions, our residents, we've not been able to come out and see you this year like we usually do on several occasions. So we thought for Christmas, why not invite you to come inside? We're going to have a virtual open house today. Welcome to the heart of Georgia DDM Home. You good, Danny? Let's bring them inside. This home was built by volunteers and funded by people just like you and me. It opened its doors debt-free in 2011 and has room for 6 residents plus the staff. We're already well on our way to funding a second home for adults with developmental disabilities. The idea is to provide a loving Christian environment, a loving home in a Christian environment for adults who have special needs. In many cases, the parents of our residents have already passed away. That's true in our family situation, and I tell you, this home has been a gift from God to my brother and to me. I know it's been a tough year for everyone. The precautions because of the pandemic have affected all of us. It's been especially difficult here in a group home environment, and our residents have already been in quarantine for 17 weeks. That means they've been confined to their bedrooms and what living space we have right here in a communal area. It's been difficult. But we have a plan to help make life a little bit better for the rest of this pandemic and for years to come. And all it will take is to turn a back porch into some extra living space. This back porch and the deck that's here in the backyard, it's a beautiful view. It's a great part of the DDM home. Unfortunately, it hardly ever gets used. It's either too hot, and some of our residents have some health issues that say they have to stay inside, can't be in the sun, that kind of thing. And then you always get that middle Georgia supply of gnats during much of the year. It's why most of us like to stay inside. But we could turn this porch into a sunroom, an air-conditioned sunroom, pretty easily. We think the building materials will cost us about $25,000, and we hope to use volunteer labor to get the job done. Volunteers built the entire house. This project would be a pretty quick one. Now, I'd like to ask you to help us be a part of this project, either in the building of the sunroom or in helping us raise the money. In fact, we would like to raise that $25,000 before the end of 2020, by December 31st. And you can help us be a part of that project, and I hope you will. And I hope to come back in a few weeks and do another video with these great guys and show you a sunroom right here on the back side of the DDM home, some extra living space as we all wait out the end of this pandemic. That'd be a great Christmas gift to us, and I hope you can be a part of it. Hey guys, it is Christmas. Why don't we wish everybody at home Merry Christmas? Can we do that?
Yeah, we can do that.
1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas.